Every journey begins with precision. Fresh poultry enters a fully automated processing line, where advanced food-grade systems ensure hygienic handling before the next stage of production.
After inspection, every chicken passes through an automated, purified water removes any impurities, ensuring the product is clean and ready for the next processing stage.
Next, intelligent robotic cutting systems divide each chicken into precise portions. Every cut is simple, creating uniform pieces. This ensures consistent cooking and product quality.
Each chicken piece is transferred into a vacuum marination system, where a carefully measured blend of herbs and seasonings is consistent flavor and tenderness throughout every piece. After marination, each chicken piece enters the automated coating line. A precisely measured layer of seasoned flour is evenly applied, creating the foundation for the crispy texture developed. Next, every chicken piece passes through a precision batter coating system. The smooth liquid batter completely seals the seasoned perfect base for the signature crispy outer layer during frying.
At the breading station, a generous layer of crispy seasoned cried with precision, automated tumbling and vibration and uniform coating, creating the signature crunch texture before frying.
Now the coated chicken enters a continuous deep frying system. Carefully controlled oil temperature and cooking time transform the crisp coating into a perfectly golden.
After frying, each piece passes through an automated deoiling system, is gently removed while the crispy golden coating is preserved, preparing the chicken for controlled cooling and final quality inspection.
Before packaging, every batch is cooled under controlled conditions and inspected one final time. Intelligent vision systems verify color, temperature, weight, and coating quality. After passing every quality inspection, each pack is sealed, coated, and inspected one final time before being prepared for cold storage and distribution.
The final step is simple. Freshly cooked crispy chicken is carefully placed into serving buckets and meal boxes. It's ready to be served hot and fresh moments after preparation.